Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, we'll be showing you how you can timestamp comments in YouTube videos. So let's just dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to the YouTube website. Once you have opened YouTube, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, tap on Your Channel and open one of your uploaded videos. Now just go to the comment section and write a comment according to your video with a timestamp. For example, at 1:35, it is the devil's face, and you can mark this time frame like this, 1:35 the devil's face. After doing that, you can jump to your desired frame just by clicking on these timestamps in your comment section. That's it for today's tutorial, and if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.